Welcome back to the workshop, folks. The other day I got a comment on one of my videos about drawbore tenons. And this person had been looking for the answer to, do the holes have to go all the way through with a drawbore tenon? And they did find that answer in my videos, but when they had just searched for, do the holes have to go all the way through a drawbore tenon, they didn't find an answer. So that's the purpose of today's video. Nice quick one. So I made a mock-up of scrap here. Bring you in closer and take a look. So this is a cutaway of the inside. Typically there would be material surrounding the mortise here, and the tenon would be out further as well. So there is a hole through the tenon that is offset through the hole that goes through the mortise. When you drive a dowel through, that dowel will force the tenon to line up with the holes, thus drawing it into the mortise further. If you only went this far, if your hole was only this far, yes, you would have some drawing effect, but your dowel could actually be canted and not pushed all the way through. So you want the hole to go through both sides of the mortise. It doesn't have to come out the other side, but it does need to get into this material a significant amount. In this case, this is thin enough to where it probably need to come out the other side or get very close to it. And there you can hear the sound changes when everything tightens up. So to sum things up, no, you don't have to go all the way through for aesthetic reasons, but you do have to go deep enough that the dowel can do the work that it needs to do. Hopefully my little cutaway was helpful there. Thanks for watching.